This video is about an informal letter about narrating your foreign friend about the scenic beauty of Bangladesh. This informal letter is very important for HSC students, so let's get started. Dear Farhan, I hope this letter finds you in the best of health and spirits. Today, I wanted to share with you the scenic beauty of my homeland, Bangladesh. It's a country rich in natural splendor and diverse landscapes. One of the most breathtaking sights here is the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world. Home to the majestic Royal Bengal tiger, the forest's dense greenery and winding waterways create a serene and mystical atmosphere. Then there's the stunning tea gardens of Sylhet. Rolling hills covered in lush green tea plants stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a picturesque and tranquil environment. The region is also dotted with waterfalls and beautiful rivers, adding to its charm. The beaches in Cox's Bazar are another highlight. It boasts the longest uninterrupted natural sandy sea beach in the world. The turquoise waters and golden sands provide a perfect setting for relaxation and reflection. Finally, the serene beauty of the Chittagong Hill Tracts cannot be overlooked. The hills, lakes, and tribal villages present a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. I hope you get a chance to visit Bangladesh someday and witness these beautiful places yourself. Warm regards, Rafsan.